Good afternoon. I'm Illinois Stormwatch Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Illinois Stormwatch Weather Center. We have a tornado warning for parts of Shelby County in Illinois. So we want to and this clips parts of this clips parts of north south central Shelby County, central Illinois, and south central Christian County in central Illinois, and parts of south central Shelby County in Illinois into 245. At 216, the confirmed tornado was located over Planton, or 12 miles north of Camosun, moving northeastern at 25 miles an hour. What to expect? Weather spotters have confirmed a tornado. Mobile homes are not going to be places to be in now. So, folks, if you live in Tower Hill around 220 and Cowden around 245, this is a tornado warning. So, I mean, now's the time to act your tornado plan in action is get centered and get covered immediately. So, I mean, I know we went through some of this the other night, but we got to take this very seriously. We have a tornado on the ground right now, so we got to take this very seriously. So, what I'm going to do is click this off, back out, and switch on to our radar. And you can see here what we got in place, a tornado warning. And you can see we get these spin ups and these strong tornadoes. Sometimes when you get this, sometimes you get on the leading edge of something, you can get a spin up, and that's what we get a curve every now and then. Trying to find the Lincoln site, and it would be up here somewhere. So this tornado warning, let's analyze some of the data here, and let's see. If you live in Lakewood, Cowden, um, Hick, Rock, or anywhere in this area, you need to be shaking for shelter now. If this tornado's on a tracking towards, if it continues, Strawden, Stanley, and Rods, and it goes together would be parts of Newton. So this is a tornado warning. So if anybody in that area needs to get to their tornado safe spot, we'll check in with our debris signature, and don't really see any tornado debris. That's one thing we don't have. And I do see a new storm trying to get its act together up here because we could be staying on air with you again. Let me see what much rotation it has. Very weak. Let me check the St. Louis site for you. And very little. So, tornado warning continues up here to the north. I mean, we could be getting a spin up along the edge of this. So, this is a tornado warning that goes through 245. I'm not noticing any. All right, we just tornado. Now it's a radar indicated tornado. So, we could be. So, folks, what it could have been is, let me back up here and pop my face up so I can just tell you what it could have been. Or it could have just been one of those quick spin ups, what we've been kind of seeing the last couple times. I've been telling people we could be seeing these. All right, what it could have been is the last couple times I've been dealing with these storms is it could have been a quick spin up on the line on one of those storms, and it could briefly spin up and went back up in the clouds. We had that many times. So we do have a radar indicated tornado. So that's what we could have been dealing with. So let's back in here real closely. And that's the only warning we got. The reason why I come on. So we would have to watch that sail as it produces yeah, there's some weak rotation right there. Red next to green, that is 8 sheared. And if you live in Lakewood, now's the time to seek shelter. This is a tornado warning. We'll check for our tools for the echo tops today, and they're pretty decent. If you get a thunderstorm, they're pretty noisy today. And Like I told me and Isaac already covered the tornado warning from Missouri today. I want to tell you everybody this. If you're in the warning, you're not going to see the tornado coming. So I would take cover. It could be rain draft too, always. So you need to be shaking some shelter. So we want to be with you for a second on this as it continues to tighten up. Bethany area could go under a warning too, 9%. And that going under a warning and checking velocity, it's mainly 40, 50 to 40. So we would have to watch that too as it comes in case that goes under a warning also. We'll have to see about that. Starting to get a little tightened up over here by Clinthorne area, and that is in parts of, let's see, Pittsburgh, into Summer, into Clarendon. So anyway, up here in Albion area, I mean, you're not under no advisory yet, but I'm noticing this storm over here by Mount Vernon, Indiana is really getting me signs of a little bit worry. So let me check here with the velocity scan. That's just for potential if it has some hail with that, so that could be a problem. And we check for a little bit of rotation. Very low. This could be a severe thunderstorm warning at any time, so we could have to go back to live on the different end because we could be going under another warning. So just be aware of that as it passes. And a new storm trying to get its act together by Benton again. The storm is 100% of getting severe. So let me change the Paducah side on. And this is by Benton. This is a new storm over here by Hollywood City area and Marley and parts of that area. We'll check into that. No wind shear, but it doesn't take that much today, and there is potentially for some hail. So we want to sign off here. We will continue to keep you updated on the damage and tornado. Mainly, this is just going to be a radar indicated tornado. If we have any more else concerned on these, we will interrupt and we will continue to keep you informed.